Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox blind bags. First, gather your essential materials: small Roblox-themed toys, clear plastic bags, and decorative elements. Make sure your chosen toys are small enough, perhaps around 2 to 3 inches, to fit comfortably inside the bags. You'll also need labels or tags to identify the contents or theme of each blind bag, adding to the mystery and excitement for the recipient. Having everything ready ensures a smooth crafting process. Next, let's assemble your blind bags. Carefully place one small Roblox-themed toy or item into each clear plastic bag. To enhance the surprise, add a small amount of filler, such as colorful confetti or shredded paper, about 1/4 of a cup per bag. This adds a fun rustling sound and extra anticipation. Securely seal each bag, ensuring the contents are completely hidden from view. This step is crucial for maintaining the mystery of a true blind bag experience. Now for the creative part: decorating and personalizing. Design and attach custom labels or tags to the outside of each blind bag. You can use vibrant Roblox-inspired colors, popular characters, or iconic logos for your decorations. Consider adding ribbons, glitter, or other embellishments to enhance their visual appeal. A well-decorated bag, perhaps with a 2-inch by 3-inch label, significantly increases the excitement and perceived value, making each blind bag feel truly special and unique. Finally, it's time for presentation and distribution. Arrange your completed blind bags in an appealing display. You might consider creating a mystery box or a small display stand to heighten the anticipation. These blind bags are perfect as party favors for a Roblox-themed event, rewards for good behavior, or simply as fun surprises for friends. Watching someone open a blind bag you made, revealing a hidden treasure, is incredibly rewarding and brings a lot of joy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.